So hello, welcome back editors. Today I will show you how to create a circle transition. A lot of you guys are asking me for the tutorial of circle transition like me. So without any wasting time, let's see the preview.
I can't help it, because I'm not that man anymore.
Tommy, you've got to come back.
I will provide the link in the description of the transition, so it's very easy to use. So firstly, have your clips ready, then go to your clip and add a beat marker at where you want to start your transition. So I already marked the beat. Then create an solid layer. Color doesn't matter. Then press OK and then apply my circle transition. Then go to animation, then go to apply animation preset, and here's my circle transition. Press U on your keyboard and adjust the keyframes according to your transition. Then adjust the keyframe at the beat marker middle. Then cut the remaining part. So now as you can see guys, the transition looks very cool. You can change the color of the transition. Firstly, go to the tint effect and change that map wipe to any color you want, green, blue, any color you want. So I'll pick green. As you can see, there's the transition starts. As you can see, it looks very good, but something is missing in this. A slightly zoom effect is missing in this transition. Then go to your clip and where the transition start, go to the transition, then go to your clip and press S on your clip, then add a keyframe at the 50, then go to the end of the clip and set the amount to 120. Then select the keyframes and press F9 to easy ease them, then go to graph editor and simply copy my graph. This, as you can see, our transitions looks very cool after adding this. Then again go to the next clip, then again press S on your keyboard and add 120 scale, then add a keyframe at 120, then go to the end of the clip where the transitions end. Here's our transitions end. Then put the amount to 50, then select the keyframe, F9 to easy ease them and copy my graph again. So as you can see guys, our transitions looks very cool after adding the zoom effect. As you can see, this to this looks very cool. And lastly, apply motion blur on all of your clips and transition. If you want to add some shakes, then as you wish, then add some shakes if you want. It's optional. Our transition was complete, and if you want to add some shake, then go ahead and animation, and I provide the link in the description of my shake. Animation, go to animation, go to apply animation preset, and here's S_shake. Then adjust the shake according to the transition. This shake effects looks very cool for this transition. So here's the final look. As you can see with the shake effect, it's look very awesome and cool. So thank you so much guys for watching my videos and edits. See you in the next video. Also like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.